Hello, hi viewers. In this tutorial, this is the part for our series MH Magazine Light a WordPress theme. In this type, we are at this part 4. In this part 4, we are show you different type of widgets that mostly used in our websites. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon when you are if you are like our page, our site. Thanks for your watching. Go to appearance, press the widgets. In this widgets we can add some information about our company, and also we are set different type of tags here. At this time there is a recent post, recent comments, archives, categories, meta. These are things that we don't need. First of all, these are footer widgets, not this is the right side widgets. This is the sidebar. This is the sidebar search. First of all, the search show here. Okay, this will be fine, no problem for us. And I'm going to recent post, going to remove this. Recent commits, going to remove this. You can move this and remove this, and also press the delete. A category, delete. Meta, delete. You can also set this type of images like this. And after the removing, I am going to refresh the page. You will be see this will be removed from here. At this time we have no data here, we are going to add some information, more information here that will be useful according to our company. Go here and add sidebar. On sidebar, done. Is there we are going to add some specific check. We are navigation menu, pages, recent comments. These we can add. We are also need the navigation menu here also. Go here and add the here navigation menu. Select the navigation menu 1, because there are many menu may be available in your website, but at this time we are need to add the menu 1 in this our side. Our links, we are going to change the name our links. Press the save button. After saving, press refresh button here. You will be see our menu bar is show in a hierarchically here. I am going to press the refresh button. The system will be refreshed soon, but at this time no show here. Let's see why. Going to add done. Our links, going to again check. I think so network may be slow, because this we are working at this time live on the server, because the mostly development of WordPress is live on servers. Maybe some problem in server. Done. Our links show here: home, about us, our services, our gallery, our contacts. At this time we are going to add more information about here, like I am going to add one more widgets here. Therefore I am need to add some plugins here. Going to add plugin widgets. Press the widgets and see what show here. Site organs, widgets options, table press, custom sidebar, live mesh, recent post. We don't need this type of widgets. We need website visitor counter. Website visitor counter. We are searching the plugin. Okay, site speed cache. There are many. No. There is no show here. I'm visitor counter. Just press. Going to add the visitor counter. XT visitor counter. This is the best. Maybe some other available. Counter live visitor for WooCommerce, no. Live visitor, no. This will be best for us. Press the install. After the installation, press the active button. After a few moments, you have to activate this plugin. Press the activate button. And after this, you have to go here in your, press the refresh button. This will be add in your widgets. Is there you can add here, and the all visitor counters automatically show you here. After few moments, we see where is the widgets maybe show here. Yes, XT visitor. Select here and adjust here. Done. Title visitors. Font color no need, just enable the visitor today. First we are going to save and check what happened here. Yes, visitors show here. I'm going to also refresh the button. Why this is not perform well? Yes, this will be show here the visitor number 1 here. I'm going to set the more. Going to enable the month display, enable the year display, enable the total display, enable the view today display, total view display, enable the who's online, enable the IP address display, enable the dot plugin align left, right, center. Okay, go to check here. After the setting, press the refresh button. Yes, this will be show us user today 1, user yesterday 0, this month 1, this month 1, with today 8. This will be show grateful for us. Thanks for your watching. Please press the bell icon. You will be notified if I new version or new any part of our training. Thanks for your watching.